Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pin box feature inside Cheetah. Are you ready? Let's get started. So what is the end result of using a pin box? So let's just take, for example, advertising your social media. Now, if we were to come up here and select Elements and go down to Social Media, the social bars, and let's say we drag this in here, we would have to work with this, right? And maybe place this up at the very top, place this on top of one of your panels. But an ideal reason why you would use this is so that you can have it hovering as you scroll down over on the far left. Now I know you've seen these, so let me go in here and show you exactly what I mean. So from here I'm going to select Elements, I'm going to go in and select a box, and I'm going to select this box right here. Okay, and let me find an open spot here so I can work with this a little better. Let me right click on that, and let me go to the very top here so that it brings it up to the top. Okay, now let me go back up to this social bar and bring this, same thing, it's coming right behind that panel. So let me right click on that and just select the top a couple times. And there you go. Now it's here at the very top. Now if I right click on this social bar and it's selected, I can go back to the very top and then select General Settings and then select Orientation. So now I have it going this way, and I could readjust the size just really depending on exactly where I want it. Next I can go here to this box, and I can kind of close in on this box, adjust this by using the center element. Okay, now it is centered. Now what I can do is I can go in here, select the box behind the social bar, and let's just darken this up a little bit. Now this is just a general idea. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. And again, center this. And now, once you grab the box, right, they both move. So now what you could do is just here, by clicking on the box and selecting the box, you're going to have this pin option. If you select it, now you can select where you want it to be pinned. So for this example, I am going to select right here and then select Done. Now if I click on Save, now I can go to the published website and take a look at what we got. And there you go. And that's exactly why you would use a pinned box. Now there are other ways you can use the pin box. You can get a little bit creative here. So for this example, let's just go ahead and close this up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this box a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to copy this image here. And now I've got a duplicate. So I'm going to just move this up where I can resize it. And now I'm going to bring this right down here. I'm going to say goodbye to this social bar. And now let's go ahead and kind of unpin that, right? We're going to go ahead and remove it. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this inside the box here. And that's probably about the right size. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is go to Add. And let's add some text in here. Okay, so here's the text. So next, let's go in and put and we're just going to adjust this here. Okay. Next, we're going to right click on the box here. Now that the box is selected, the box properties come up. Now what I'm going to do is this second bar right here is your transparency bar. So I'm going to go ahead and just move that over here. And for some reason, it keeps popping down right down here. Okay. So I've done the transparency, and it keeps dropping down to the bottom, and that's okay. Let's go here and kind of center everything, make sure everything is okay. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is right click on the box. I'm going to go ahead and select pin, and I am going to put it right there as well. I'm going to select this box right here. Okay. So it doesn't really matter that it's right there, and that's where we'll keep it. But next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set the link. And when we click on that link, it's going to take them to a brand new page, and it's going to take them to the free camera giveaway page. Let's go ahead and select that. And then here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Okay. I'm going to go in and take a look at this little link button here. And I think I've got a working link that will work here. I'm going to copy. I'm taking that from my little notepad and selecting OK. Now, when you thought it was all done, there's one more thing I want to do. I want to right click on this and go down to animation. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the timer so that it shows up in 10 seconds. And how is it going to show up? It's going to fade in, and it's going to fade in slow. Okay. So now let's go up to the very top here, select save, and let's go take a look at what we got. Okay, so here's the web page, and the timer is counting down. And as your site visitors scroll down and they're reading information, then pops up the win a free camera giveaway. And if I click here, it's going to take me to my web page where I can register for that free camera giveaway. In this video, we walked through on how to use the pin box feature inside Cheetah. I also demonstrated some ways you can use the pin boxes. As you know, there are so many different ways you can use it. I hope you found the video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.